Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr. and today we are going to do something extremely easy, and that is replace the windshield wiper blades on a 2016 Hyundai Tucson. So obviously on this model and most of the Hyundai Tucson models in the 2000s at least have different size wipers. So the passenger side is a 16 inch and the driver's side is a 26 inch. So this is an extremely easy process, but typically it will require two hands, which is where I wish I did have somebody here with me. So, but to make it very simple here, we're gonna lift up the entire blade here, the entire arm. And what we do is actually pull the blade out a little bit, and then underneath here, you can't really see it, it's in because it's all black, but right here, so right where my thumb is going, there is a little button that you can press. So you press in that button, and then with the other hand you basically just pull down, essentially, to get it off of the arm, to get the blade off of the arm. So I can't really do this. Let's see, it's I can't do this with one hand, so I have to. So the clip is right in here. So like I said, press the clip and then pull down the actual blade with your other hand. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so I had to pause it real quick, but all I did was press that button, and then I pulled down on this piece just like this. That was it. Take that off. Okay, I'm gonna keep it exactly the way that it was, how it was on, and then we're gonna get our 16-inch wiper blade here. Okay, so now I have the new blade in my hand, and exactly like the other one right there. And on here is very simple. Some of them have what's called a J hook on here, but you can almost just finagle it. But we're gonna go in through this top part right here. That's where it actually goes in. So just, let's see, just like this, goes in. Oh, it should go in. So you see how that's past, the hook is past that. And then what you typically do, you just pull it straight up. It locks like that, and now you have a new windshield wiper blade. Boom, that's simple. So, and it's basically the same exact process with the 26-inch blade as well. So for this, I actually had it off just to make it a little bit easier, but it's the same thing. There is a same thing when you're taking it off. There's a little button that you press. So now that we're closer to it, it's this thing right here, right there. So that goes in. You press that and pull the blade down. If the wipers have been on for a while, you will get a little bit of resistance. So don't manhandle it. Just try and get it off as snug as you can. So it's a very, very simple process, but it's the same for what we just did with the passenger side as it is with the driver's side. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's helpful. A lot of times, you know, people really aren't used to this stuff. So, and a lot of people get into DIYs and they want to learn how to do it themselves. Even though it may seem very easy to other people, there are plenty of people out there who have not done this before. And the other thing I recommend, so what I'm gonna do is actually just gently put that down. Okay. And we're going to open up the hood. So usually whenever I change my wiper blades, which is at least once a year, pop the hood, and then right on the left hand side I always replace or refill the the windshield wiper fluid as well. So there's your there's your reservoir on the left hand side, and just fill it up to the top. Not going to hurt it. If you can get the you can get the Rain X windshield wiper blades, as well as the Rain X windshield wiper fluid. So I'll put some links in the description because it is extremely less expensive to get it online. It is much cheaper to get it online than it is to get it in the store. So but that's all I have for today. Look at the links in the description for the blades for the Hyundai Tucson, and I'll also put in information for the Rain X windshield wiper fluid. But that's it. Don't want to keep this too long. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Later.